started, I'd just like to welcome you to the Boxwood workshop. It, it originally started out as a box tree moth workshop, and then Brian Kunkel talked us into just creating it as a Boxwood workshop, hoping we could appeal to a wider audience and give out more information. If you're a presenter, make sure Tracy Wooten gets a copy of your presentation, please. If you didn't get to sign in at some point today on the table outside where we have coffee and donuts and cookies, there's a sign-in sheet. Please sign in so that we can contact you if we need to. As you can hear the echo, we're also doing a hybrid meeting, a Zoom meeting. So there are a few people listening in. The box tree moth got established or detected in Delaware during July of 24. A master gardener actually ID'd it, sent it out to another university to confirm her suspicions, and the master gardener was Debbie Nicole. So I'd just like to take a moment and recognize all our master gardeners. Are there any master gardeners here? Thank you. So we use master gardeners as a resource. They go through hours of training. Their education never ends. But even as professionals or survey specialists or in the industry, we can use extension and the master gardeners quite often to help us ID pest problems. And they actually volunteer and donate their time to do this to help us out. So a big thank you to our master gardeners for helping us out. So Delaware got involved, Department of Ag, real quick after that. The location was east of Dover towards the Little Creek area where the first find was. And we did a regulatory response, had it verified through the USDA. I don't want to jump into other presentations, but we did have a response. But the end result is it's here to stay and spreading fast. The restrooms are located out to my right. You can go out those doors or this door. They're out in the hallway in this conference area. We're going to do about a 10-minute break at around 10:30ish. We started a little late. That wasn't on the agenda. So you will get a little 10-minute break around 10:30 if you want to use the facilities or refill on the coffee or something. I'm going to just run through our speakers kind of briefly so we know who's here today. We got Brian Kunkel, an IPM specialist. He'll be speaking for the University of Delaware. Jill Pollock will be here. She'll be talking a little later than originally on the agenda. She's the plant diagnostician, runs the plant clinic at the University of Delaware. We have Stephen House from the Delaware Department of Agriculture, a program and manager that runs the nursery unit inspection, among other things. Andrew Adams will be here later. He's representing DNLA and the University of Delaware Botanic Gardens. And then we have Alejandro from Virginia Tech. He'll be getting here last minute. He's driving up. We're lucky to have him. He's done research, I believe, up in New York on box tree moth. So when he gets here, we might have Brian Kunkel maybe introduce him before his talk. I'd like to thank the University of Delaware Cooperative Extension and the Delaware Nursery Landscape Association for partnering with us on this to pull this workshop off. Also behind the scenes, Tracy Wooten, an extension agent, is doing our hybrid meeting, helping us with some of the technology, helping Stephen she helped us out with registration that we decided to do last minute. So that was a huge help, and I'd just like to recognize the behind the scenes work that she put into it. My plant industry staff, a lot of them are here today. They're sitting in the back. They helped us get ready for it. You'll see on the table, there's handouts for you. My business card's up there. On the back of it is a QR code to Plant Industries website. So if you want to take a look at our website for anything we mentioned today, or grab my card, feel free to. We've got promotional winter beach volleyballs there with a QR code if you're going to do the polar plunge. It goes to the nursery unit. We originally did this because we always had people, where's your list of invasive plants? Well, if you hit this QR code, it'll take you to the list of the invasive plants. It'll take you to the nursery unit webpage. There will be pesticide credits awarded for those of you that have a pesticide license. We'll have 2 credits awarded. And we'll do that at the end of the workshop. If you have questions, we might have time after the speakers. They'll ask, you know, if there's a few. If not, just hold your questions to the end of the event. If we have some speakers that don't quite make it on time, we might open up a question period. And then Stephen and I will be here for a little while at the close of the meeting, but I have another appointment that I got to be at it around 2:30. But again, welcome, and feel free to ask any of us questions as we proceed.